Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy and this is Team Darley. I would love it if you would subscribe to our channel, and if you are into DIY videos or you like doing DIYs yourself, then hit the like button down below just to give this video a thumbs up and to show me that you would like to see more videos like this. So today I'm going to be showing you some DIY RAE DUNN inspired dishware. And I know that RAE DUNN is amazing. All of their dishes are awesome, but they are hard to find and sometimes they can be a bit pricey, which I understand because they're so stinking cute. But I wanted to show you how I took some Dollar Tree mugs and bowls and did my own little DIY project to make them look like the RAE DUNN dishes. And I did get them from the Dollar Tree, so I think I would like some mugs that are just a little bit bigger, but they were cute, they turned out perfect, exactly what I wanted, so here we go. Alright, so I'm going to show you exactly how I started out in my silhouette. First I took my font and I changed it to the font that I found to be most like the RAE DUNN font, and it's called the Skinny, and they actually have a bold version too, so if you like yours a little bit thicker then you could do that. And then I just started making the words that I wanted for my mugs. So the first one that I did right here was Boss Lady, and I'm gonna actually speed it up a little bit to show you guys the rest of how I was putting it in the silhouette. Alright, and then after I had all the words that I wanted, I decided to go ahead and weld them together. This makes it to where I can see exactly how big it's going to be in inches. And then I grouped them so that they would cut together, and it made it just easier when I went to cut with my silhouette. And then I changed the size, and for the mugs, I think it was about 2.5 inches in height, and then about 2.5 inches as well for width. Alright, and then next I did the same thing for my bowls, and I welded them together so I could see the inches, and it was about 4 inches wide by 1.5 inches in height. Alright, next I went ahead and sent it to my silhouette. I changed it to vinyl glossy, which is what I was cutting for. My speed was at 9 and my thickness was at 12, and I went ahead and cut it. After that, I went ahead and peeled the inside of the letters out, and that way I could use it as a stencil. Alright, the next step is to just use your contact paper, put it on top, press it down, make sure that all the pieces will come up so that you can use your vinyl as a stencil. And I just reused an old piece of contact paper that I already used before. The next step is you just place your stencil on your cup and get it where you want it to be. Good thing for me, I'm not a big perfectionist, and that's what I love about RAE DUNN as well, is it can be a little bit messy and it's not too big of a deal. So I just put this on and made sure that there were no bubbles, press it all the way down, and then I will pull the contact paper off to leave the stencil. Next, you're going to take a black Sharpie and you're just going to color in on your stencil. And then you pull your stencil up and you will have your RAE DUNN inspired mug. All right, and here are all of mine. Let's Eat, Blessed, Hustle, Boss Lady, and More Please. All right, now you're gonna set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to go ahead and put your mugs and everything inside of the oven right when you turn it on. And then you're going to set your timer for 30 minutes. Once your timer goes off, you are going to go ahead and just turn the oven off, but you're going to leave your dishes in there until your oven completely cools down. And I just left mine in overnight and pulled them out the next morning, and they were done. And now you have some RAE DUNN inspired dishware. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. All right, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos as well. See you next time.